Alright, here I smothered chicken breast, and I want to show you how beautiful it came out, and it came out wonderful. Look at the gravy. The gravy is fabulous, and everything is beautiful. Look at that. That's a beautiful piece of meat, and I guarantee you, you will not miss eating smothered pork chop when you eat this smothered chicken. I'll be right back with the presentation. This is Sandra. Be right back. Here's our end results of our smothered chicken with mashed potatoes. Yes, indeed, if you love smothered pork chops, you will love this recipe too. This is smothered chicken breast over rice or over mashed potatoes, whatever you prefer. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and you'll get this recipe from soulfoodqueen.net. And thank you for coming to my channel. Try this delicious, beautiful, smothered chicken. If you miss smothered pork chop, hey, no more. You can always have this. This is Sandra. Wants to happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel.